Terima kasih pengacara majlis. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera, salam perpaduan. Yang berbahagia Tan Sri Michael Yeo, Presiden UCSI Strategic Institute for Asia Pacific. Yang bahagia Datuk Azman bin Muhammad Yusof, Secretary General Ministry of National Unity. Yang bahagia Datuk Peter T.S. Ang, Founder and Executive Chairman UCSI Group. Yang besar Encik Sobri Muhammad Sobri, Deputy Secretary General. Yang bahagia Profesor Emeritus Tan Sri Omar Abdul Rahman, Senior Distinguished Fellow, KSI Strategic Institute for Asia Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the media. First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizing committees or the groups of organizers, the KSI Strategic Institute for Asia, the Dialog, Rakyat, the UCSI universities, for providing this crucial platform to strengthen our bonds and renew our commitment to national unity. I'm very honored today, this morning, to be with you all at the Sejahtera Malaysia Forum, where we unite to turn the noble ideas of the Rukun Negara into reality for every Malaysian. I have been asked to deliver this keynote address entitled From Rukun Negara to Reality, Transforming Ideas into a Harmonious Malaysian Society. And with that, I would also like to congratulate or acknowledge your contributions toward the Harmoni-Mesra concept, principles, and practices, and the Dialog Rakyat Code of Ethical Conduct, which are all aimed to counter the unhealthy situation and explore actionable practices to promote sustained harmony and unity in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Unity Policy proves that unity and national integration will continue to be the government's primary agenda. The policy document has been developed with the federal constitutions and Rukun Negara as its core, and which will act as a catalyst to Malaysia's endeavors toward united, prosperous, and dignified nation. This is also in line with the Malaysia Madani core principles. The National Unity Policy is the umbrella policy outlining continued efforts to foster, strengthen, and preserve unity among the people through the concept of unity and diversity, and to preserve multiracial harmony in this country. Our ministry flagship program of the Kembara, Perpaduan Malaysia Madani, has been introduced with the aims of spreading knowledge, understanding, and community appreciation of the government's effort in developing Malaysia Madani. The three main clusters outlined under this flagship are the Nationality Program or Semarak Kenegaraan, the Unity Program or Semarak Perpaduan, and the Ramah Community Program or Community Rahmah. The Rukun Negara has been our guiding star, continuously fostering patriotism and unity. The harmony and unity among Malaysia's multiracial community over the last 5 decades is a direct manifestation of the 5 principles of Rukun Negara. The Rukun Negara, which was proclaimed on the 31st of August 1970 by the Yang DiPertuan Agong during the 30th anniversary of Malaysia's independence, following the events of 13 May 1969. The Rukun Negara and its philosophy, ideas, and belief is to standardize the understanding among varied groups with the main purpose of developing robust unity. The ideas and aspirations contained in Rukun Negara are clearly the key to the people's harmony and unity for Malaysia's success and stability. To ensure every Malaysian embodies the spirit of Rukun Negara, the Cabinet made a significant decision on the 25th of July last year, and where we mandated the recitation or ikrar of the complete Rukun Negara pledged at all levels of our educational institutions and official government events nationwide. And to echo this, the Ministry of Unity has doubled its efforts and initiative on the appreciations of Rukun Negara through the launching of Rukun Negara Exploration Program at 3 stages: the public, the schools, and universities. Among the activities that have been conducted through these initiatives are the Dialog Anak Muda, Ekspresi Rukun Negara, the Musical Eksplorasi Rukun Negara, Hero Impian, Pameran Mini Rukun Negara, Kisah Kejayaan Malaysia Kita, Kapsul Suara Anak Malaysia, dan sebagainya. And many more, of course. And besides, there are a few impactful events has been introduced or conducted through our Department of National Unity and Integration, such as the Unity Debate Perpaduan, the Chit Chat Belia, the Canberra Perpaduan, Camp Anak Malaysia, Kenali Budaya, and of course the ministries also continues to support the Rukun Negara public speaking event organized by the Malacca State of Government every year. And last month, we marked a historic moment when the Rukun Negara was recited in the Dewan Rakyat and Dewan Negara for the first time. Yeah? And this demonstrates our commitment to enhancing understanding and inspiring future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, while formal recitation upholds the Rukun Negara, translating these ideas into tangible action is equally vital. We must bridge the gap between vision and reality, moving to ground. True engagement with Rakyat is essential for nurturing national unity, and our ministry is committed to achieving this through proactive grassroots initiative. And the various initiatives that we have are first the Tabika Perpaduan, or the preschools that we have under the ministry, where Rukun Negara modules to inculcate unity and good values are incorporated in the syllabus. Secondly, we are committed to Rukun Negara Club and Rukun Negara Secretariats in schools and higher institutions. And this is, of course, to inculcate a spirit of unity among the younger generation. Thirdly, we are enhancing our outreach program by appointing 50 unity ambassadors and 2 unity icons starting this year. Now, these individuals are active proponents of unity. They are tasked with spreading awareness and nurturing the spirit of togetherness across our nation. And fourthly, we are exploring the possibility of building unity complex in every state throughout the country, with the pioneering first one we have at Machang District in Kelantan. And the coming one is in Perlis, which will be completed by 2027. Now, these complexes will serve as hubs for community activities and unity building efforts. Today, I would like to announce that the Ministry of National Unity, through the Department of National Unity, or Japanese in Bahasa, will study the needs to launch Rukun Negara Education and Appreciation Action Plan, which will be in line with the National Unity Policy. It is an action plan which will outline the plan modus operandi involving Ministry of Unity, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Higher Education, and the Ministry of Communication. Also, the Rukun Negara Appreciation Border and the Rukun Negara Youth Tour, with the theme of enlivening the Rukun Negara, will be organized by the ministry this year. The initiative can groom youth to have a sense of identity, patriotism, tolerance, and progressiveness in line with the philosophy, values, and belief of the Rukun Negara. Lastly, integrated programs such as the National Service Training Program or the PLKN 3.0 is essential to shape a spirit of nationalism among youth. The revival of the PLKN 3.0 is aimed to inculcate values such as unity, integrity, and humanity among young Malaysians. And therefore, the Ministry of National Unity will work closely with the Ministry of Defense on preparing modules related to national building and unity. And a few days, or yesterday I would say, we have a program, Jajak Harmony, and I could see participants to that event with us today. And this is the harmony work that we did around the breakfast areas, where we have many rumah ibadat, and it was a very successful program, and we are hoping to do it more. Of course, we have done in many states in the country, and these are some of the events that we feel we have to inculcate among our people so that we understand the values, the various beliefs within our communities, and the concept of paham, hormat, and terima, ataupun understanding, respect, and acceptance are the core values that we must instill in our society. Ladies and gentlemen, today our forum on Sejahtera Malaysia focuses on translating the principles of Rukun Negara into practical action. These transformations require concerted effort from all sectors of society. I'm confident that the spirit contained in the Rukun Negara continues to be appreciated and firmly embedded in the soul of every Malaysian. Therefore, together, let's ensure that every initiative we take is a step closer to realizing a harmonious Malaysian society. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Yang Berhormat Datuk Aaron Agong Dagang, for your presence here today and your insights.